I'm pretty excited to keep it going. The program is growing. I think we're up to a little over 20 schools this year, and we've been growing the last couple of years, and sometimes so much that it's hard to find a bowling space, lanes, and so I'm pretty proud of that. The kids are pretty competitive out here today.
What I really like about bowling is that knowing how you read the lane the way it is, remembering how the oil pattern affects the ball, and also having like a daily basis to where when I usually go to league or whenever I go for my school, I know where to roll, where my mark is, hitting strikes or spares, everything that comes with bowling. It just gives you like a surprise because you know what you're doing.
The night was cool, even though we had a little emotion going on because we lost to them the first time we played them. It feels good. It feels good. We all kept our calm. Just they depend on me, so I got to show them why they depend on me.
This is not it. So this is actually here for, I guess, bragging rights, right? Something that we put on for the student athletes so they can have another championship to enjoy, another notch on their belt. After this, they will go on to TSSAA Pro Season, which will have their district championships and their individual championships. So they have a chance to make a state championship run after this.